Okay, I just changed the one camshaft sensor up front. I'm going to try and crank it again. There it is. A couple backfires, like little light backfires every once in a while, and that's it.